Microsoft rolled out functionality that allows users to create contacts in Teams, and it would instantly show up in Outlook. However, I found several major bugs while editing and deleting a Teams contacts. So let me show you what they are. Let's get started. What you see on my screen on the left side is Outlook, and on the right side is Teams. Now, I did create a fake contact here. Immediately, it shows in Teams as well as Outlook. Now, when I delete this contact in Outlook, it does not delete it from Teams. So that's one thing that I discovered. Let me show you the second thing is when you're editing an actual contact, what happens is that it creates duplicates. So let's create a contact and watch it in action. So click on the people icon, and here is the icon to add a contact. Let's fill out the information. You do have to give it an email address. And let's hit save. So notice there is that contact. It updated immediately. Let's take a look and see it will show up over here as well in Outlook. So if I come in and actually update this contact, click on options, hit edit, and let's say we add to it, and I hit save. Contact saved. So notice that it updated it in Teams, but it did not update it in Outlook. It actually created a new, contact. So that is a problem. You're going to end up with duplicates. And again, if I actually have to delete, I have to delete the contact where it was originally created before it is deleted. So let's go ahead and delete the Zay. And I'm going to hit delete. And watch it over here in Outlook. It will disappear. It disappeared. So I wanted you to be aware of these limitations. Again, sometimes I don't always have a solution. I did report this information to Microsoft. Let's wait and see if we see an update in the future. Now, go work your magic.